This is the high voltage battery for commercial use. Actually, all in one. Basically, all in one. I'm talking about the white unit right here. Upper part can be 60 kilowatt inverter, and bottom is the battery. And basically, we can double up on the battery to make 120 kilowatt battery. So that gives it a long extended life. We talk maybe 24-hour power. But for heavy users, construction sites and factories and things like that, this is the perfect solution for you. And of course, those battery banks you see over there is just already set up. For example, if you want to do like a 250 kilowatt or 500 kilowatt, can be built into a little container unit. That's just the setup right there. So that's to show you that everything's already done in the factory. So it becomes plug and play when you arrive at the site. No need to do any more connection to it. I mentioned earlier about this big guy right here. This is the high voltage battery. And each one of these, you can see, can be a 10 kilowatt or 15 kilowatt. But as you can see, this is the cluster all together. So when we containerize this unit, the battery part is this, and on this side is the inverter. They'll be connected together. This inverter as well is a high voltage inverter, and this can be like a three-phase connect to the grid and sell power back to the grid. And basically, this inverter is very strong that it can increase power and reduce power at the same time. So this inverter together with this battery bank of battery here can all be containerized. Once it's put in the container, this is how everything comes together as one unit. So basically, when this arrives at the location, everything's all set up already. It just become a plug and play. They just connect to the main power. That's all. No other connection is needed because everything's already been done already at the factory. It's already been put together at the factory. Now we're in the testing lab where everything is tested before it's been produced to see. For example, in this unit right here is where the battery is being tested for salt material. For example, similar like maybe in Hong Kong, Philippines, and countries there right by the ocean, and there's a moisture of salt in the air. So to make sure that the battery or the inverter can withstand this type of weather, to make sure it will withstand and it will not damage the unit. And next year, this is machine right here will actually test the battery to see if it's been punctured by nail or some sharp to make sure it will not burst. And here, this machine here is for weight test to see if the battery drop or is being hit by something very heavy that it will not puncture the battery. This is all for safety purpose. And again, this is part of what the lady, you can see them, they're in the lab jacket for testing. I myself, I have my own lab jacket on as I'm shooting this video. And you can see right here, perfect example, all this battery is going through test right now. And this guy right here on the floor is being tested to make sure that everything is going to walk the way it's supposed to be. And this area where we're going here is where they test their battery to make sure it's compatible, the inverter and the battery compatible with other manufacturers outside. For example, you could see the name here, this is Solis. It's another brand that's been tested that is going to be compatible with the battery made here. And you could see, I'll show you more. This is a grow watt inverter. So you could see it's been tested with the battery here to make sure it's compatible. We have Goodway, another grow watt over there, and of course Doyen. These are all big brand names. You can see they are all compatible with this battery so far over here. And we got a big guy over there, and actually this one, this is Mega Rover. And over there is a big guy, which is a 50 kilowatt inverter, R4 as well, all being tested with this battery. So we're 90% to 95% compatible with almost any product in the market. So this is a big deal. So this is the lab where they do all the testing. So you can see it's a huge space being dedicated just for testing alone. So when the product is the market, you know what you're getting is guaranteed and warranted to exactly what we say it's going to do.